This is Joe behaving like a complete knobber. As we slowly pan around the classroom, this is James. He works at Primark.
Preacher's better than Matt to one.
Whatever, God. As we slowly zoom to Shivani. Dr. Watson. Oh, Dr. Watson. Dr. Watson, first of all, has an arm injury, no, a leg injury, and then Conan Doyle changed it to an arm injury so it didn't impede his investigations with Holmes, rather. Miss Jordanson writing about alkenes on the Barclay next, I think, 5 minutes. Emma Schofield conversing with Emily. They look to be engrossed in conversation. Oh no, said Emily. Oh yes, said Emma. Do you know how to get the head out of an electric toaster? Emily does.